A Az.com production.
Plumber's tape is often called Teflon tape, but there's no such thing as Teflon tape. DuPont produces Teflon, a material known as PTFE. Some manufacturers add PTFE to what we call plumber's tape. Along with PTFE, you see this, threaded seal tape. That's what the tape actually is called, because that's what it does. It seals threaded pipes. Plumber's tape seals the threaded connection between pipes that do not have rubber seals. If you're wrapping a gas fitting, use yellow tape. Read the packaging and make sure the specifications meet the project's needs. For water fittings, use white tape. The tape in both these packages measures a 1/2 inch in width. The tape in the red package is 520 inches in length, while the tape in the blue package measures 260 inches in length. You can use the white tape for both metal and plastic pipe. Let's say this is the fixture for the threaded pipe. Notice which way you need to turn the pipe so the threading connects. This is the direction you will follow, clockwise in this case, when you apply the tape to the threading on the pipe. Pull out a small length of tape, making sure to keep it flat. Starting 2 or 3 threads in, use your thumb to press the tape to the threads, making sure you apply the tape so it lines out in the proper direction. Our thread starts here, and I continue to press the tape to the thread as the tape unrolls. You can see the following clockwise direction. Wrap the tape around the pipe 4 to 6 times. Make sure there is no tape around the opening, and then install the pipe. If you're dealing with brass or stainless steel, use the black or gray tape. It's thicker, more heavy duty, and is suitable to those fittings. The method for applying plumber's tape to a threaded fitting is the same, no matter what type of fitting. Choose the right kind of tape and apply it following the directions seen here. Plumber's tape is readily available at any hardware or big box improvement store, and the cost is usually no more than $1 or $2 per roll. Thanks for watching.